Tay is here, and you claim that nobody can ever crack you.
Not
Justin.
lately. Oh, thank you.
We got that.
Holy cannoli.
Cannoli.
Thank you. I'm sweating.
That was deep. I got that spot right there.
Holy shit, I'm sweating.
Just
Okay.
relax here. All the way.
Oh.
Yeah, see?
Oh my God.
Told you.
Oh, I'm sweating again. Oh, I'm hot again. Every time you do that, it like sends like a...
Menopause. Just kidding.
I'm dead.
Just let the neck stretch. You can do it.
Oh.
That absolutely exploded.
Oh my God. Holy shit. Feel that in my chest. I'm actually not sweating after that one, oddly enough.
That's weird.
That is weird.